Hi children, welcome to our Bright Stars YouTube classes. Good morning. Now I am going to take a class for 4th class students. The subject is English and the name of the lesson is Mango Birds. See children, this is your textbook. This is your textbook term 4th class term 1. So we are starting the classes from this book. I will show you the lesson name also. Mango Birds. What is the title of the lesson?
Mango Birds.
Very good. So first I will teach you the lesson and then I will give you the video of lesson reading. Okay, now let us start the lesson. What is the title of the lesson? Mango Birds. Once upon a time in a forest, there was a small cluster of mango trees. See, generally to start a story, we use the word once upon a time. Even your grandmothers at bedtime, they tell you the stories in Telugu. They say, Anaganaga oka raju undevadu, అనగనగా లేకుంటే ఒకానొకప్పుడు అలా చెప్పేవాడు కదా. పక్షులు ఉండేవి, వేటగాడు వచ్చాడు, అలా చెప్పాడు. So in English, for that in English to start a story, we use the word once upon a time. Once upon a time in a forest. Forest means what? అడవి. సో ఒకానొకప్పుడు ఒక అడవిలో ఏం జరిగింది? యాక్చువల్లీ I want to tell the whole lesson in English, but some students who came from other schools or like that, they cannot understand. So that is why I am using some Telugu words. So you try to understand it. So once upon a time there was a forest. ఒకనొకప్పుడు ఏముండింది? అక్కడ ఒక ఫారెస్ట్ ఉండింది. ఆ ఫారెస్ట్లో ఏముంది చూడండి. there was a small cluster of mango trees. What was there in a forest? There was a small cluster of mango trees. Are you able to see the blackboard? Even in your textbook also you can have it, but now you don't have textbooks. So see on the blackboard. Cluster. Cluster means what? Group. Cluster means what? Group. It is on the blackboard. Even in your textbook also, in a box they are given like this. See, in a box they are given like this. 3 meanings. Cluster. See, your lesson has 2 sections. See here, section 1 is here. So, your lesson has 2 sections. Today I will teach you only 1 section. And in my next class, I will teach you section 2. Okay? So, now we shall start. We shall read this paragraph first. In the spring, its branches were covered with beautiful mango blossom and the forest echoed with the happy buzzing of honey bees. You should listen very carefully because some new words you get. In the spring. What is meant by spring? It is the name of a season. It is the name of a season. See, come on, can you tell the names of some seasons?
Summer, winter.
Summer, winter,
Rain.
rainy, spring, autumn, like that. We have some seasons. So spring is also a season, and in that season what happened? Its branches were covered with beautiful mango blossom. Branches means what? కొమ్మలు. బ్రాంచెస్ మీన్స్ కొమ్మలు. చెట్లకి ఏముంటాయి? కొమ్మలు ఉంటాయి కదా, అలాగా కొమ్మలు అనమాట బ్రాంచెస్. ఇట్స్ బ్రాంచెస్ వర్ కవర్డ్ విత్ బ్యూటిఫుల్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ మీన్స్ వాట్? pretty, అందమైన. Beautiful mango blossom. Blossom means flowers. See on the blackboard, blossom means flowers. So the tree was covered with beautiful mango blossom, and the forest echoed with the happy buzzing of honeybees. So where there are flowers, which insects come there? When there are flowers, which insects come there?
Honeybee.
Honeybees, to collect the honey from the nectar or honey from the flowers. These insects, honeybees, they come to the flowers. So these honeybees, when they come, they make a kind of happy buzzing. That is called buzzing of honeybees. So the forest echoed. Echo means resounded. The forest resounded. When everything is silent and if we make something ooh or something like that, we get echo sound. Resound. We get resound.
Echo.
So the forest echoed with the happy buzzing of what? Who made that buzzing sound?
Honeybee.
Honeybees. Very good. Soon the flowers fell, and in their place small mangoes began to appear. See, after the flowers fell, what happens? In the place of flowers, small mangoes began to appear.
Green mango.
Small green mangoes, they began to appear.
Yeah.
Yes. Now we shall see section 1. The sun grew hotter and the mangoes grew bigger. See, when the sun grew hotter, the mangoes grew bigger. When does the sun, in which season the sun grows hotter? Summer. So, in summer season we get mangoes. That is why only we get mangoes. So, when the summer is coming, the sun becomes hotter and hotter. Do you know what is meant by sun? S-U-N, sun? సూర్యుడు కదా. SON సన్ అంటే కొడుకు కదా. SON సన్ మీన్స్ కొడుకు. SUN సన్ మీన్స్ వాట్? సూర్యుడు. సో ఎండ పెరిగే కొద్దీ, ఎండాకాలం వచ్చే కొద్దీ ఏమైందంట? ద మ్యాంగోస్ గ్రూ బిగ్గర్ అండ్ బిగ్గర్. సో ద స్మాల్ మ్యాంగో డే బై డే, because of the hotter sun, it was becoming bigger and bigger and bigger like this. Slowly they turned golden yellow. In the beginning, what color were they? Green. But slowly what happened? They turned into which color? They turned into which color? Golden yellow. They turned into golden yellow. See, in this first picture you can see that. See, there is sun also and the mangoes. How they turned into golden yellow, see? Now you can see in the first picture. Okay, now let us go into second picture. When the trees were full of juicy mangoes, people and animals came to eat the delicious fruit. So when the trees were full of juicy mangoes, when they became ripe, పండు, రైప్ అంటే ఏంటి? మాగినటువంటి మంచి పండునే రైప్ అంట. సో మంచి ఫ్రూట్స్, రైప్ ఫ్రూట్స్ అయినప్పుడు దే వర్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ జ్యూసీ. ఏముంటుంది దాని లోపల? జ్యూస్, రసం ఉంటుంది కదా. మంచిగా పండు తింటుంటే చాలా అలాగ రసం వచ్చేస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఏమైందంట? మ్యాంగోస్ అలా తయారైనప్పుడు పీపుల్ అండ్ యానిమల్స్ came to eat these delicious fruits. Delicious means they came to eat the delicious fruits. Delicious means what? Delicious means tasty. See on the blackboard also, tasty. Delicious means what? Tasty. Okay, so tasty mangoes తినడానికి people came, and also along with people who came, animals also came. Next, so this is, see, in this you can see in this second picture, People also came and even the animals also came. Next, we shall go to the third picture. Enjoy yourselves. Eat as much as you like, but leave some for others. See, then they heard some voice from the tree. See, somebody is talking from the tree. Are you able to see the eyes and the mouth? See, somebody is speaking from the tree. ఏమని మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? చెట్టులో నుంచి ఎవరో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. అది ఏమని మాట్లాడుతున్నారంట? ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ సెల్స్. ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ సెల్స్. ఈట్ యాజ్ మచ్ యాజ్ యూ లైక్. ఎన్ని ఫ్రూట్స్ అన్నా మీరు ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి. మీకు ఎన్ని ఫ్రూట్స్ కావాలంటే అన్ని ఫ్రూట్స్ తినండి. బట్ అంటే ఏంటి? కానీ బట్ లీవ్ సమ్ ఫర్ అదర్స్. కానీ వేరే వాళ్ళ కోసం కూడా కొన్ని ఉంచండి, మిగిల్చండి, కొన్ని మిగిలించాలి. అన్ని తినేసేయకండి. లీవ్ సమ్ ఫర్ అదర్స్. వేరే వాళ్ళ కోసం కూడా కొన్ని మిగిలించండి అని చెప్పాడు. See, then the boys here, what are they talking about that? See, all the trees talking to us. అరే ట్రీస్ మనతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాయా అన్నాడు ఒకడు. ఇంకొకడు ఏమన్నాడు? ఎస్ అన్నాడు కదా. ఆర్ ద ట్రీస్ టాకింగ్ టు అస్. చెట్లు మనతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాయా? ఆర్ ద ట్రీస్ టాకింగ్ టు అస్. వాట్ వాస్ ద క్వశ్చన్? సే.
Are trees
the trees
talking to us?
What is the answer?
Are the trees
Answer.
Yes.
అవును, చెట్లు మనతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాయని ఇంకో ఫ్రెండ్ చెప్పాడు. People said that there was a tree god who protected the forest and it was his voice. అప్పుడు అక్కడున్న ప్రజలు ఏమని చెప్పారంట? what did the people say? The people said that there was a tree god. అక్కడ ఒక ట్రీ గాడ్ ఉండేవాడంట. ట్రీ గాడ్ అంటే వనదేవత. వనదేవత ఉండేవాడంట, వనదేవుడు. ఆ దేవుడు ఏం చేసేవాడంట? చెట్లని, ఫారెస్ట్లో ఉన్న చెట్లన్నిటిని కూడా ప్రొటెక్ట్ మీన్స్ కాపాడుతూ ఉన్నాడు. ఆ చెట్లన్నిటిని కాపాడుతూ ఉంటాడు. And it was his voice. Whose voice was it? It was the voice of a tree god. It was the voice of a
Tree god.
Very good. Everyone who heard the voice obeyed it. And everyone who heard the voice of this tree god, what did they do? They obeyed it. సరే అని వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా అన్నారు. Now let us go to the fourth picture. This is the fourth picture. Okay. The animals were wise. Animals కూడా చాలా తెలివైనటువంటివి, జ్ఞానం కలిగినటువంటివి. వైజ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇంటెలిజెంట్ కదా, వైజ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్? ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్స్ ఏమంటారు? యాంటోనిమ్స్ అంటారు. వాట్ ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్స్ కాల్డ్? Antonyms. And what is the antonym for wise? What is the antonym for wise? See on the blackboard.
Wise.
Foolish. See, antonym wise and foolish. Yes, antonym for wise is foolish. Opposite word for wise is foolish. What is meant by antonym? Opposite word. What is the opposite word for wise? Foolish. Yes. Then see what happened. The animals were wise. They were not foolish. The monkeys plucked the mangoes. See these wise animals, monkeys. What did they do? They plucked the mangoes. Plucking means what?
Tempo.
Very good. Tempo koda plucking ante. Kada? The monkeys plucked the mangoes. They ate half the fruit and threw the rest down. వాళ్ళు ఆ మంకీస్ ఏం చేశాయంట? They ate half the fruit. తెంచుకున్న ఫ్రూట్లో సగమే తిన్నాయంట, హాఫే తిన్నాయంట. హాఫ్ తిని అండ్ త్రూ ద రెస్ట్ డౌన్, మిగిలిన దాన్ని ఏం చేసినాయి? త్రూ అంటే పడేయడం, త్రో అంటాం కదా, త్రో, త్రూ, థ్రోన్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద పాస్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ వెర్బ్ టు ద ప్రజెంట్ వర్డ్ త్రో. అక్కడ చూడండి వెర్బ్ ఫార్మ్, సి ఆన్ ద బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్. సి ఆన్ ద బ్లాక్ బోర్డ్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద వెర్బ్ ఫార్మ్స్? త్రో, threw, thrown. What are the verb forms?
Throw, threw, down.
Thrown, throw, threw, thrown. Okay, see they are the verb forms. So the monkeys ate half of the fruit and threw the rest down. Down అంటే ఏంటి? కింద పడేసి. Up అంటే ఏంటి? Where were the monkeys?
Up.
Up. And they threw the fruits. Where did they throw the fruits?
Down.
కదా, పైన కూర్చొని తింటున్నాయి, కిందికి పడేస్తున్నాయి. అప్, డౌన్, అప్, డౌన్. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్స్. అప్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ ఫర్ అప్? డౌన్.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the wild rabbits and the deer finished them. See, the mangoes, the half-eaten mangoes which were thrown by the monkeys, who ate them? The wild rabbits and the deer. Who ate the mangoes? The wild rabbits and the deer. They finished the mangoes thrown by the monkeys. So everyone enjoyed the fruit. So everyone enjoyed the fruit and nothing was wasted. And nothing was wasted. No fruit was wasted. No part of it was wasted. Everything was utilized. Everything was eaten. Nothing was wasted. So this is the lesson in section 1. So in my next class, when I teach you the English class, I will teach you section 2. See children, listen. See, for this book, you can contact the numbers given down or you can come to school. This is your book. Okay. See, this is class 4, term 1 book. Okay. Now, I will give you the video of lesson reading. Okay. So, you keep that video again and again and again and again till you get it. Understand? If you have a textbook, then it is easy for you to learn. So, try to get your textbooks as early as possible. Okay. So, to understand the lesson, నేను చెప్పిన లెసన్ మీకు బాగా అర్థం కావాలంటే నేను చెప్పింది కూడా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ పెట్టుకొని చూడండి. ఓకేనా? సో లెసన్ బాగా వినాలి, ఆ తర్వాత రీడింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలి అనేటటువంటిది నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత మీకు యానిమేషన్ క్లాస్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ రీడింగ్ క్లాస్, ఇన్ మై నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ animation class and also textual exercises, grammar, worksheet and everything like that. Okay? Yes. Listen. After that again I will speak to you. After the reading of the lesson, I will speak to you.